Hello, my name is Philip McDonald. I'm the Director of Installations for VEC. In this video, we're going to cover general operation of the SC24 controller. If you haven't already, I would encourage you to take time to watch our video about how EMI cancellation systems work. That's a great precursor to this video. For most of our users, the SC24 is active, but generally not interacted with. A quick glance is all that's needed to ensure that the SC24 is operational, canceling the fields, providing great imaging. You'll either see a green box on the upper left-hand corner of the touchscreen on the SC24 controller, or a green field light on the face of the SC24 sensor. If either of these are eliminated, field cancellation is active and working as intended. You may encounter a situation where you need to move the SC24 sensor. Before moving the SC24 sensor, place the SC24 controller in standby by pressing the standby button. The upper left-hand corner of the touchscreen will indicate with a red standby indicator that it's safe to move the sensor out of the way. To set up your SC24, first, place your SC24 sensor. The SC24 sensor should be near the electron beam column, orthogonal to the field cancellation cables, and if there are two sensors, they should be facing the same direction. Next, we'll run setup on the SC24 controller. We'll press the setup button, select single system, and press OK. After setup is complete, we'll be greeted by the setup results page. We'll press done, and cancellation will resume. This is indicated with the field OK indicator, green, in the top left corner. If you have any questions regarding sensor placement, errors or warnings on the setup page, or anything regarding your SC24, feel free to consult the SC24 manual or reach out to us at www.vibeng.com.